Hello. We operate as a family company rooted in the unique atmosphere and rich leather and fur tradition of Turkey, located in the province of Istanbul. With 3 generations of continuous knowledge and experience, we take pride in being a globally recognized brand. Our company stands out with handcrafted fur and leather hats and vests. Each of our products is meticulously handmade, passing through the skilled hands of our master craftsmen from start to finish. You can feel the importance we place on details in each of our products through this special craftsmanship and quality. We boast excellent quality and strive to offer only the best to our customers. By shipping our products on the same day, we aim to provide you with fast and reliable delivery. We collaborate with leading international shipping companies. Customer satisfaction is our top priority. If you want to see our quality and clean craftsmanship up close, you can check our customer reviews and explore the experiences of our happy customers who have joined us. With our products specially crafted for you, we open the doors to a warm and unique style that embraces you. Join us to discover an elegance that suits your needs.